Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can export a transparent video in Premiere Pro. Alright, so we're inside Adobe Premiere Pro. I've got my name animation laid over this footage of these white background here. We want to export this with a transparent background, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this footage behind this. So now, while we have the video selected, you're going to hit Command M on your keyboard to bring up your export window, or you can do it by going to File, Export and Media. We want to make sure our format is QuickTime. For the preset, it's showing PL, but if it's showing custom, then also it's fine. We are not exporting audio in my case. You may be exporting audio, in which case you leave that selected. But I'm going to go down here to the Video tab, and this is where I'm going to change a couple of things. Under the video codec, you want to go to Animation. Animation is going to give you an option to export with an alpha channel, and that is what you want. We're going to scroll down. I'm going to render it a maximum depth. You don't have to. I would recommend doing it if you are exporting something like this. Under here where it says depth, you have this 8 option, or you have 8 plus alpha. That's the one you want to select. This only comes up whenever you select the video codec for animation. Make sure you select 8 plus alpha. We're going to go down here. Everything else looks good. I'm using maximum render quality, and then you would simply export. That's it, guys. That's how you can export a transparent video in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.